Hello fellow traders. So I was about to make a video about VIX because we took out the high of the low bar, but then Bitcoin came up. Yesterday we had a big turning point touch and failed to take it out. Today we took out the low. Now look at this perfect trade until 49 on the 7th March. I hope you saw it, but it's 30%, almost 32%. Yep, even more, 36%. No, that's a nice trade. VIX is also doing good. Yeah, just follow time means price and put your stops. My stop is if tomorrow comes back and goes back to the 68.772, I'm closing the position. So again, this is just the channel, primarily on opinion.